And we're back with episode 3 of Office Rehab. I am almost done with this desk. So this was my mistake. I decided to move this entire desk from that corner all the way over here in order to give Shae some space, which I'll show you later. But that meant I had to basically rewire my entire under desk. And that's what I've been doing all day. So if you didn't notice, I'm a little OCD when it comes to controlling all these crazy wires back here. Previously I had this second power bank attached on this one, but because Shae needs to sit here, it didn't really make sense. So what I decided to do is move it here, reattach the desks in a different way, and just have my second one over here. Probably one of my favorite little features is this little guy here, a little card reader. What I use for cable management were these little sticky wire clips. So they just have an adhesive back. And then I also used these straps for the bigger stuff, as well as just like general cable management. So I do use this wireless gaming mouse. However, this keyboard is not wireless. It's a trick. So this is my little section of the desk, nice little L shape. And then now Shae has the backside. Pretty cool. So what happened was when Shae used to come over to work, every time when this desk was up against this wall, she would just kind of have to awkwardly sit behind me while I was on the computer. So we decided to try to find a solution that made a little more sense for this space. And this is what we came up with. Moving the desks in this configuration kind of left the perfect little nook back here to build a table for my computer, as well as to have another extra side table for, extended desk space. But I'm thinking I need something else over here. So what's next on the agenda, you ask? Well, you're in luck. It's putting up a whiteboard on this wall right here. Let's see how it goes. Use the force. Works every time. Oh shit. Take 2. I don't know where to go from there. I need my level. Don't look over here. Don't look. I said don't look. So I've run into a bit of a problem where I want to mount this. The wall is not exactly flat, so I'm gonna have to stuff a little piece of cardboard or something right here to make sure it's nice and level. All right, last piece, this little tray. Gotta figure out how to put that on. It doesn't have any type of attachment. I guess it just uses friction to stay on. Guess we'll see. Pretty cool. That's basically it. Installed. Made so much progress on the office. Now I just gotta figure out what to do with this corner. And also the bathroom's coming along. Shower's in. How should I end this? Oh wait, I know. Alright, let's see here. Voila.